Okay, Romy, I'm going to go through this question with you. Thanks for sharing it. So, the first thing you want to do here is look for this bit here where you kind of have something like sine A cos B. And you want to think about how does this relate to the identities that you know. So you might have noticed that this links to these addition rules. So sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And the other rule is sine A minus B equals sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. I can't remember if this is given to you in the exam paper, so check the formula book, which is on the shared resources drive. So what you might notice here is this kind of sine A cos B as well, something that we have within both of these. And we're going to need to somehow simplify these, so what we want to do is kind of treat these like simultaneous equations in a way, and we're going to actually add them up. When you add them up, you end up with sine A plus B plus sine A minus B is equal to, so we've added these two together, now we're going to add these two together, so this is going to be two lots of sine A cos B. When you add these two together, because the signs are different, they cancel out, so we don't need to write that. And now we're just going to rearrange this by dividing both sides by 2. A nicer way to write this is half sine A plus B plus sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B. So let me just tidy that up a bit. What we can do now is relate that to this bit here, and yeah, just essentially use equating coefficients here. So the 16, if you half that, that becomes 16 over 2, which is 8. Sine, let's just write on the side, A is going to be 40 and B is equal to 2t. We can equate coefficients between this and this. So this becomes sine 4t plus 2t plus sine 4t minus 2t, and then we can simplify it, and you'll see we're actually going to get to this point here. So 8 sine 6t plus sine 2t. We can take the h out because it's a constant, so then what you end up with is, because we're doing an integral here, if you look at the limits, this will be 8 between pi over 4 and 0, turn it to radians, remember, so this we're going to integrate sine 6t plus sine 2t, and then we are ready to integrate with respect to t. So if you remember, I have to integrate, sine becomes negative cos, and we've got the 6 there, so this becomes negative 1 over 6 cos 6t, take away 1 over 2 cos 2t, and then everything multiplied by 8, put in the limits. The rest of it is actually just in the solution there, so you can self-check that last bit. I hope this is useful. If it was, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and send me more questions if you're not sure.